Do you want to put captions on your video like this? And do you want to do it in under 60 seconds? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my photography YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're gonna go over an editing hack, a fast editing hack. Now putting captions on your videos up until recently has been insanely tedious. But with how technology has progressed, it's become insanely easy. Now on Instagram, you can also put captions on your videos instantly. On TikTok, you can also do the same, but we're not gonna go over that. We're gonna show you how to put captions on any video that you are editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, let's go to the computer. All right, now the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this is a video editing software, and this is the software that we're gonna use to add captions to your video instantly. Now, if you do not have Adobe Premiere Pro, there's a link in the description. Just make sure to go to that. And there's a free trial that you can take advantage of. All right, let's get back into it. So as you can see right now, there is both a video and an audio file. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is a project I was working on for a different channel. It's about the Grammys. And it's a really good video, but I want to add captions to it. Now, a lot of people watch YouTube videos on mute, so having this visual element will greatly benefit your retention rate and help some people out. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go up to the top right-hand corner. It says Captions and Graphics. Now, once you bring up that tab, you're gonna go to your workspace, and then you're gonna click an in and out point. Now, essentially what you're doing is you're telling the computer where you want the sequence to focus on. So once you have your in and out point, you're gonna go up to the top left box and you're gonna click Transcribe Sequence. I don't know why that was so hard to say. All right, and then you're gonna click Transcribe. You're gonna click which audio track that you want, which language, and then once you do that, you're gonna click Transcribe. Now, as you can see, it's rendering the audio data. Now this is new. This wasn't here a couple years ago, so you got to make sure that you have the newest Adobe Premiere Pro. The way that you purchase Adobe now, it used to be back in the day where you would buy a $200-300 program and then you just have it forever. Now, like with everything, it's a subscription service. So pluses and minuses because you get all of the new updates, but you got to pay every single month whether you use it once or 10 million times. All right. So during that entire rant, it transcribed everything that I was saying in the video. Now, as you can see, it is not perfect. So you do need to go through it and see where it messed up, where it just added words, and sometimes, especially if you talk fast like I do, it doesn't pick up everything. So essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna click play, and then you're gonna go through and see where it messed up. And let's say I didn't say this word. You could just double click it and type in whatever you want. Now I'm just gonna write stuff because that's actually what I said, but that's just an example of what you can do. So let's say you went through everything. You went through everything and you loved it. You are ready to go. Now what you can do is click Create Captions. Now once you do that, it's going to create captions for everything. Also, something else which is really cool is that you could change the font, you could change the size of it, you can change the colors, you can change anything that you want. Right now I don't have any styles built into it, but you can change anything. All right, and then when you are ready, you're gonna click create, and it's gonna take a few seconds, and it'll just create your captions. And then it's gonna be in its own little tab all the way on the top. Now, as you can see, it's all time-stamped. It's already created for you, so you could just click play and just let it run. Now, let's say you wanna change the font after you created the captions. All you're gonna do is you're gonna click the segment of whatever caption that you wanna change, and then over on the right-hand side, the Essential Graphics tab, you can change it into anything. You could change the font, you could make it bold, you could change the fill, you could make it red, let's say. You can change absolutely everything, and it is really cool. And let's say you want to change the font for everything. One, you can save it as a preset and then use it over and over and over, or you can just copy and paste that data into all of them on the timeline. All right, and that is it. That is all I have for today's video. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure to click that subscribe button. We got a lot of good content coming out soon. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said or did in this video, you can either hit us up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will make sure to get back to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.